This is a high-volume dropshipping storefront where the technical architecture and product sourcing are perfectly integrated through artificial intelligence. To construct a system like this, you need an internet connection, a fresh social media account, and approximately $5 to cover software trial periods. The process follows a 5-step chronological roadmap. First, we extract a niche. Second, we build the store. Third, we source products. Fourth, we establish a brand. And finally, we deploy our advertisements. Delegating web design and inventory tracking to algorithmic tools significantly reduces the manual labor traditionally required to launch a business. The focus shifts from technical execution to overseeing the system's output. The first objective is identifying a profitable category by leveraging the data within social media algorithms. We use the dummy scroll method. By exclusively liking and engaging with dropshipping ads on a new account, you force the algorithm to reveal which products are currently receiving significant marketing spend. After collecting these examples into a list, a language model can categorize the data. For this build, the model identified the pet niche as a high-performing sector. With the niche confirmed, we use an AI-assisted storefront builder to generate the site's structure. The setup requires standard administrative parameters: your name, a contact email, and the designated niche. Visual clarity is a priority here. We pass over the cluttered layouts in favor of a clean, hyper-focused banner that specifically features both dogs and cats to broaden the potential customer base. Once the layout is selected, you initiate a trial on a major e-commerce platform and bypass the manual onboarding surveys to keep the build moving. You link the systems by copying the store's administrative URL and pasting it directly into the AI builder. This connection establishes a functional bridge between the front-end design and the back-end payment processing system, making the site ready for live traffic. Next, we populate the store with inventory using an automated fulfillment integration. We install a fulfillment app directly into the store dashboard to handle the logistics of shipping products from suppliers to customers. To maintain a stable supply chain, avoid perishable items like pet food, which carry a higher risk of shipping delays and customer returns. Instead, navigate to the application's trending marketplace to see what is currently selling. Applying niche-specific filters immediately isolates relevant pet hardware and accessories. This data dashboard shows our primary metric, the profit margin. We only source items where the difference between supplier cost and retail price is high enough to cover advertising expenses. We further validate each item by looking at the interaction rate and the historical sales trajectory to ensure there is active consumer interest. When an item meets these criteria, we import it into a staging draft. Most raw supplier listings are unpolished, containing robotic titles and confusing descriptions that can discourage potential buyers. We use a bulk AI rewrite to professionalize these listings. This comparison shows the result. A disjointed supplier description is replaced by a concise, professional paragraph that is easier to read. This process of algorithmic curation and textual optimization allows generic products to be presented with a much higher level of perceived value. To establish credibility, we need a niche-specific domain name. Using a .store extension informs the visitor immediately that they have arrived at a legitimate retail destination. The final branding step is using an AI image generator to create a custom logo, which we then place in the storefront header. These branding elements provide the specific visual context necessary for a customer to trust the store with their payment information. In the final phase, we generate user-generated content ads using AI avatars to simulate real customer reviews. While we use AI for the visuals, you should still order physical samples. Testing the products yourself allows you to confirm that the manufacturing quality matches the claims on your site. To create the ads, we load the product URL into a video tool and select an avatar that fits our target demographic. It is important to manually review the generated script. If the AI focuses on a secondary feature, you must override it with a benefit-driven sentence that highlights the product's actual selling point. AI facilitates the speed of content production, but human oversight is required to ensure the messaging aligns with the specific psychological needs of your audience. The system is now live, the store is stocked, branded, and the fulfillment backend is synchronized. We deploy the AI-generated video as a paid advertisement on social media to begin driving traffic. We test with a minimal daily budget. This allows us to gather data on conversion rates without significant financial risk, terminating any ad that doesn't produce a sale. This method uses AI to handle the technical heavy lifting of the build.
Once the system is running, the success of the business depends on your ability to analyze the resulting data and refine the marketing strategy.